There's my game capture. There it is. Hello everyone, welcome to Minecraft Java Edition. Today we're going to be playing on two servers today, on both of which are owned by me and run by me and paid for by me. Well, I'm okay with that. So I have now separated the Counterpush game into its own server, which will be run there permanently. We were running scrims on it yesterday, so we know for sure that it mostly works. There's a few problems with the TPS at some points and some maps, but for the most part, it runs okay. Hello, Snake Ninja. Hello, Stringy. So yeah, for the most part, it runs okay. So we'll be starting off on 80games.mygs.co. I should warn you that if you're going to play Counterpush with us, you need to be on 1.15.2 to play on this server, which is this one right here, which we're not going to go on immediately. Hey, Tom. But we will go on the server later on into the day. We will be on here. Costume designer, streamer me. So it appears for some reason that, hello Stringy. So hello Stringy, hello Danny, hello Tom. So it appears for some reason that I appear to have not been streaming on Twitch, but it now seems to be working just fine. So I'm not sure what was going on with that, but apparently the Twitch stream was broken for a little bit, so hopefully that's been fixed. This is my first time streaming Minecraft with a 9,000 bit rate, so we'll see how that goes today. Usually I've been using a bit rate of 8,000 before, previously, but now we will be using a bit rate of 9,000 on Minecraft, so we will see how that large file output goes, which means it's going to be a huge file. The day of the second, so like Pi Day, so like in March, or like the first one, like the World Cup finals. And hey, Yoki. But yeah, there's been a lot of them. There's the World Cup finals. There's the the group stage, the World Cup finals, the World Cup real finals, Spring Showdown, Pi Day Melee, Spring Showdown. Oh really? All right, makes sense. There have been quite a few matches like that throughout the days. I just saw someone's name glitch. I'm not sure who it was. I think that, okay, never mind. It's not that. I saw someone's name flicker for a couple frames, so I was wondering what was going on. Hey, Jordan, welcome. Yeah, that was the original counter push. I mean, technically, it still is counter push. Technically, there is no counter push 2 or anything like that, but yeah, it was the original world, which is now referred to as old counter push. I want to show you guys something actually. I'm not going to show it, but I'm going to tell you guys about it. So, you guys might have known. Hey, TJP. Hey, Leonardo. You guys might have known that counter push had some big lag spikes, like chunk lag. Like if you walked over certain chunks, it would lag out your game, right? You guys know, we all know about that. We all experienced it multiple times. It was annoying, right? Well, I have traced what it was and actually fixed the issue. So it's no longer going to ever happen, and I now know why it was happening. You guys want to know what was going on exactly? It was the anthropology room in Pyramid Village. The heads on the wall were causing crashes or freezing, which is why Pyramid Village was freezing for the longest time on load up for some players and kicking people out of the game. So that will not happen again. So yeah, it was the heads with Pyramid Village. So here's how I was able to prove it. So what I noticed is that if you change the render distance on the server, what I noticed is that if you change the render distance on the server, what would happen is the areas where the chunk legs would actually happen was different. So what I was able to do is I was able to actually trace it to the heads. What I did is I found the chunk legs. I'm like, okay, well, I counted then 8 chunks ahead because that's the server render distance. So I counted ahead like 8 to 9 chunks ahead. And then I went in all 4 directions, and every time it led me to the house, which is why I believe that the lobby is so laggy in for terms of frames per second because of all the heads. Which, I mean, that's already been suspected for a while, but that's why I believe that if I were to leave the area If I were to go more than 8 chunks away and now come back, hey geezer, I should be experiencing lag about here. So yeah, I believe it's this chunk line right here that causes the lag to come in. Yeah, this one right here. So it happens in the lobby too. It's because of the heads. The heads take up quite a lot of resources when your game has to load up the custom heads. It takes a lot of resources, so that's why it was always so laggy whenever on Pyramid Village, and especially in Nepal too. Like Nepal, I think took the worst hit. I had to move Nepal in the original map actually just because of that. So it turns out Pyramid Village, the anthropology room with all the heads, was a problem the whole time. The way I fixed it is I replaced them with normal player heads. So yeah, I have removed them, so it's been fixed, and it should never chunk lag again. But I'm glad the chunk lag happened because clearly it led me to create the new world. So yeah, it turns out heads just don't like loading. Your game just doesn't like loading heads that much. It seems heads can just freeze your game. So yeah, that can definitely happen. All right, let's get started. 9 players. All right, looking good. Let's start off with a game of. We'll do that later on. Hey, Stringy, or what is it? Yeah, I know it still exists up there. Oh yeah, guys, I can officially. I should update the the upcoming events thing, because IdiotCon has been officially announced for November 28th and 29th, 2020. So hopefully you guys are all there. Yeah, we've already got some stuff prepared for it, or we've already got some stuff in the works. I've already got my own other things in the works. So far I can't say anything, but there are 2 major projects currently that are gonna, well, probably not. So, well, maybe not. Well, I can't really string, but 2 major projects to be worked on. And potentially, if there's enough interest, I might hold like an event in my basement. Social distancing if necessary. Just kidding, well, e-kit's already out. I've just been adding e-kits the past week. Been creating them, they finally all done. I don't know when F-kits will ever come out though. Yeah, like we're talking massive. Like two major projects that are not going to be revealed until then, pretty much. Like, let's just say like there's a lot of effort being put into both of these. Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. I thought you were saying what was going on. I'm like, are you living under a rock? There are already e-kits in the game. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. That pretty much you're correct. All right, let's get into a game. All right, 9 players. How about we start off with a game we haven't played that often recently? It's Hyperdrive. Start off with a game, yeah, match of Hyperdrive. Hope you guys all know how to use elytras. All right, and we'll go for a high score or a world record. See you though. I think we'll just do Hyper Raceway. Oh my gosh. Gotta press space in midair, start gliding. Make it to the end if you get stiff. If you get stuck, press shift. That's all you gotta know. Yeah, neither can Idiot Studios. Yeah, that's pretty much. Well, the 2 projects, one of them is the big group project, and then one of them is my own thing, but all for IdiotCon. So 5 months, and you'll get to know exactly what we're talking about. Your guys are gonna love it, I think. So, but we got tons of stuff to prepare for it, so it's gonna be like, who knows? Well, pretty much, yeah. All right, so the time to beat is 3 minutes 23 seconds. Oh yeah, I've been having that issue. Apparently, I wasn't streaming earlier on Twitch, and I've actually had issues watching Twitch streams on my phone recently. I've only been able to use my computer. I have not tried my phone. Well, it's got to be possible. TAS, maybe. All right, guys, get ready. Oh yeah, and hold right click obviously for maximum speed. Alright, everyone making good progress so far. No one's stuck at the starting line from what I can see on here. I should probably turn my particles down for this game because some of the trails left behind by people quite large, especially when they're in your face. So yeah, I think we'll play on the server for about maybe like another 45 minutes until the next hour or 30, and then we'll play in Counterpunch for the rest of the stream, I think. So we'll play for about another 45 minutes on Idiot Games. So yeah, from now on, we are going to be splitting time between the two servers. I mean, maybe we'll do Counterpunch first one time, but probably Counterpunch second, given that it's its own separate entity now. Hey, Magic Muka, welcome. So yeah, given that it's now its own separate server, will be like splitting the playtime. So make sure you add both IPs on your list because you'll need them, and you'll need to be on version. Here's on 1.16. Okay, Tom, Yokim, and Machimuka, you'll all need to be on 1.15.2 to play on Counterpush because we don't have the VIA version plugin just yet for that server. It is not enabled just yet. But I'm sure that shouldn't be that big of an issue. I mean, I could actually just install it actually if you guys wanted. Maybe I'll do that actually then. Yeah, this is why you shouldn't play on, I don't know, actually. I don't think there is a scoreboard. Unless you mean like the tab list. String you right behind me. Down we go. Hey, Xtavi, welcome. Oh yeah, that's a new thing that's been added. Did you? Oh yeah, Tom, I really like these new additions actually of the you like it kind of like sort of like the achievements. Those are really cool. All right, let's go take a look. Okay, 3:23:14. Gotta get all the optimizations you need. 3:23:14. I trust you. Well, it's been done. It's by 30 milliseconds. It's a new record. 3:23:17. It's now 3:23:14. The first time in now over 8 months, a new record's been set. Pretty much since that record's been standing since IdiotCon, basically. And now it's finally been broken. Geezer finishes in 2 places at once. There we go, that should fix you. Wait, no. There we go. That's better. Yeah, because you relogged and kind of we're at the start line again, it probably put you back to get to 322. I know that the time is possible to beat. It is not impossible and will likely happen eventually, but yeah. So a new record has been set today. A new, well, world record, because, well, world record. 3 minutes, 27 seconds, 23. Did I write 27 on the scoreboard by accident? I think I did. Yeah, I think I wrote the wrong number on the scoreboard. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. New record set in stone. Did I write 27 again? Ow. There we go, we got it right this time. Okay, there we go. Now it's set in stone correctly. Alright, Joachim's about to finish and then we'll be good to go. Alright, we're almost done. Very close, final turn now. Nice job, everyone. So yeah, we don't actually have a 6th place finisher because TJP should actually be 6, Jordan 7, Joachim 8 because of that. That's not the right world I wanted to unload. Oh yeah, I forgot you cannot unload worlds while people are in them anymore because of a recent bug. We'll do one more, actually. Why not? As Connor requests, but on a different map. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, this map you gotta have precise turns, otherwise you will fail, especially on the later sections coming up. You'll see how deadly the map can be. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to press space, and then right click. Just hold right click for the entire map. You should be flying. Make sure you're floating, and then you should be like gliding your elytra, and then you just press space to toggle gliding off or on or off. Then you just hold right click, and you'll start advancing. And make sure not to hit any objects, otherwise you're toast. Well, sometimes. Alright, so you've got the hang of it. Now at checkpoint 4. Yeah, this map, it said 3 laps, but it's actually 5 laps. So, yeah, not 3 laps, it's 5. I didn't actually check what the world record was on this one right before I went into it, so who knows if it'll be broken or not. I gotta go up. Oh, I failed it too. Up, down, left, right. Through the middle. Next checkpoint. go. Down we go. Oops. And he finishes first. Looks like Tom is going to be second. Yep. Up, down, left, right. Yeah, the world record I think is 158. Yeah, Tom, I really like the new advancements. Those are really awesome. Those are actual advancements. So cool. Yeah, sub 2, I believe it's 158. It's a record to beat, so... Is anyone still on the section? Alright. Oh, magic move, don't press space once you're already flying. Press shift if you're stuck. Because right now you are not flying. Yeah, I see them on I see them on like the advancement list, but they're not in any sort of order. There you go. Don't press space ever again. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, or if you use control for crouch, that's a fair thing too. Oh my gosh, I do not have that kind of PC to run that. So I kind of need the particles. I mean, I usually have particles on normal. I don't put them on minimal. Because counter push uses a lot of particles, so you kind of need them for... Or if you're Connor, or me in Overwatch, you use C for shift. Or not C for shift, you use C for crouch. Yes, you press the C to use shift. Yeah, I mean, for counter push, you pretty much need particles on lowered or reduced or higher. I mean, you can put them on minimum, but I mean, stun zone is still visible, but some of the things are just hard to see. Like the bubble barrier is kind of hard to see. Like some of the things are just hard to see with minimal particles, like the bubble barrier, stun zones. The new blaze effect that's been added, also kind of hard to see. Like there's a bunch of things that are just not easy to look at with minimal particles. Okay, I'll give you guys about a minute to finish. If you haven't finished, that's alright. After this, we'll play a different game. Maybe some TB2 or laser tag. That actually would work pretty well if you put the orange and the purple and the red on the bottom. That would actually be pretty good. Well, it uses the same idea of like the glass, like inside a big giant like. Oh really? Yeah, I was playing at 1.16 and it was actually running just fine the other day. It was actually mostly running well. Yeah, good job everyone. So yeah, you have to teleport everyone out and then unload the world in that order now, which is strange. But that's how it is. Yeah, it did. Probably December. Or wait, maybe we did say 2020. Maybe it was January. I don't remember. Probably was January actually. Or February. I can't remember what month it was. Oh, hey Pandy, welcome. Just in time for 10-player matches. Stringy gains the ability to fly. Alright, so we could do 5-on-5. We could do 2v2, v2, v2v2, v3, v3. Or we could do free for all with one random team of 2. And then maybe another random team of 2. What do you guys want? 4, 8, or 4, 2, or 8? I did, but I'm not sure exactly what you're referring to. Wait, I think I know, but okay, that would be Magic Muka, Tom, and Yokim against everyone else, so no. Yeah, what do you guys want? 2 teams, 4 teams. Oh yeah, Danny, there's a new rule. I'm not sure if you were there, but there's a new rule where if people are hiding, I'm just gonna slash kill them. If people are hiding and not moving around at all, I've just started slash killing them instead of actually. I also do want to update the game soon with some new effects. Yeah, like I might actually. I don't know if I can full out write like a bot or like a code that detects people are camping because I don't know if I don't know if I trust myself to write that kind of code that actually like detects camping and kills them. But I mean, I just do it manually. If so, basically the rule is you have to be at least moving in a defined area and you can't be isolated. So like you can't move or you can't just like strafe left to right and say that's moving. Like you have to be like moving. It's fine, Stringy. We don't really need it that much. Because I already have other rule changes in mind. Like I'm gonna eventually make it so I might like update the game soon to make you TV like glowing. But like the rule is you have to be moving around the entire map at least or as much as you can. You can't like move around like you can't like dance around like a small area and say that you're moving around. I guess, yeah. I don't know. The thing is, I don't really want to patch counter tunnel block anymore because I'm already moving most of my resources from tunnel block into a different game, which you all probably know the name of, but I will not name. Like some of the ideas for that game actually came from tunnel block future ideas, but never actually got put it in. So the thing is, yeah, if you camp, I mean, you have to be moving around. You can't just camp in one block, otherwise I will literally just slash kill you. I'll give a slight warning if I'm about to do this. I'm not going to do it out of nowhere. I'll give you guys like a 10-second warning to start moving. That's what I'm going to start doing if you guys choose to use if you guys choose to camp. I'll give like a 10-second warning and then you're going to get slash killed if you do not comply and start moving around. So yeah, you'll get one warning and that's it for camping. Other than that, let's get started. I think we'll do a 2v2, v3, v3, but we'll give the 2v2 teams a little bit of a buff, or we'll give the 3 teams a little bit of a nerf. 10 seconds. The stream delay is 5 seconds. So that should still be it. Should still be enough time to react because the stream delay is 5 seconds. So or 7 seconds. All right, here we go. Obviously, some players cannot be on the team of 2. I don't know about that one. I don't know about this. Yeah, I'm going to block that from happening. In fact, I was actually just going to say Danny, Pandy, I, and someone else should all be on separate teams. I think I'll take control of the green team. And then if we have... Oh yeah, Tom. All right, sure, this can work, I guess. All right, fair enough. All right, Tom, you can join yellow then. That's fine. Oh, you know what? I just realized I wasn't playing full screen this whole time. I've been playing windowed, so my FPS was terrible compared to what it should have been, or at least not as good as it could have been. But I'm playing at 720p. Let's change that to where I should be playing at. Also known as 900p. Much better. So they get a slightly, you guys get a slightly faster respawn. That's just, well, game mechanics. Other than that, it's about the same for everyone. Actually, no. I'm not going to do that. We're going to go this way. Alright, this game's always played best when everyone pushes the aggressive, when the game is enjoyed the most. So hopefully everyone does that. We had a game last time that actually was really good. Everyone was being aggressive. So yeah, just remember, if I spot camping, even if you're my own teammate, if I spot camping after I die, you're gonna get slash killed with a bit of a warning. So you have been warned. Be careful. And he gets the first pick on Tom. Stringy actually picks up a double. All right, a lot of trade from blue and yellow. All right, red base is under attack. So is ours. Now that's gonna force me to back up and help. Gonna force me out of here. Forces me to retreat. Oh, Pandy, you got lucky to defend without. And we all know how good Pandy is on that sniper, so gotta be very careful with our pushes here. Nice. Oh my gosh, we almost had them. Oh, blue team's destroyed by Magic Muka. Nice job, guys. All right, next up to attack is probably yellow. We need to go for yellow now. Yeah, I might patch the game soon to make a couple rule changes, but other than that, it's gonna pretty much stay the same. Just adding a couple new things to prevent camping. And glowing is bugged for a lot of people, but for me it's working, so. Well, not working. Maybe I'll push this way. I should be able to get it here. Nope, I blocked off that area. Alright, almost got it. Got it. Gotta go back for one last heal up. There we go. Hello, Joachim. Bye-bye. Alright. Now we just gotta find people. Magic Mook is dead. Alright, 3 players left to find. Yeah, remember, no camping. You gotta be moving some way. At the very least, if you're gonna hide, you have to do it. I don't know. Oh, whatever. I hope we're already we all have full health, right? That everyone? I don't know, not in my mid. Alright, just Jordan to find now. Oh, nice. Nice job, guys. Alright, time for laser tag. Hey, Sushi Cat, welcome. Finally not fallen asleep. Obsidian Mine 12. Obsidian Mine is always a good stat of who actually left the base. Or who was the one for breaking out of the base. He woke up 30 minutes ago but fell asleep. No, I don't blame you. If I were to wake up that early, that's exactly what would happen to me. If I were to try to wake up at some kind of time like that. Alright. Everyone get a duo partner. It's laser tag. So everyone, team of 2. Alright, team of 2. Alright, Jordan and Tom. Alright, here we go. Everyone dies at the start. That's normal. It happens every time. Alright, good luck everyone. So just shoot everyone, except your teammate, of course. Most kills wins. Hello, Tom. Oh. Two-second input delay. Nice. Oh, a trade from Stringy and Pandy. Danny gets Tom. This game, you gotta have the aim to play this game. Well, most of the time at least. Oh, you only have 4 bars. I see. See, Geezer only has 3, so does Jordan. Everyone else has 5. $588 MS. Tom gets a double. I probably realize it's probably hard to see what is going on the stream, but we're in kind of like a dark arena right now, so it's kind of probably difficult to watch. I might turn up the gamma if you guys can't see anything that's going on. He gets a double kill. Stop that right there. Hello, Pandy. No full auto in a building. Bye, Tom. Oh, I get the revenge. Danny gets the revenge kill on me. That was expected. Kills Magic Muka too. Yeah, two very strong sniper players on one team. Goes just as well as you think. Ah. Yeah, melee is not going to work. You are actually full weakened. As I will prove right here. You can actually not attack. Which cost me my life just for that demonstration. You're welcome. Yeah, if you melee, well, nothing will happen if you melee. Back when we played console Minecraft, I didn't know about weakness disabling melee, so we kind of just used an honor system. But the thing is, in the kill feed, it would literally show that you were killed by melee attacks, so we would just know, and I just would say, okay, bye-bye. Okay, I wouldn't actually say that, but back in like console Minecraft, it was pretty much an honor system that you weren't going to use melee attacks in laser tag. Obviously, you wouldn't use laser tag in real melee. No, you wouldn't use melee attacks in real laser tag, right? So, same thing here. Got to use the bow and the bow only. And who is shooting at me? Or was it just my own arrow? Probably was just my own arrow. I'm getting a lot of teams. Aim trainer. Why do we keep shooting at our own team? Oh no! Okay, I got him. The thing is, back in the day on console, hey Jordan does stuff, welcome. Back in the day on console, we used to, what was I gonna say? Back in the day on console, I didn't know, there was no scoreboard or anything like that, so we had to count deaths by just tracking. Julie. Oh, hey Clark, welcome. Melee's online. The Melee stream? I don't know. I don't know how we traded that. From my perspective, it looked like neither of us hit each other, but somehow we both got each other. And I get killed by Tom. And Tom at 22 kills. Oh gosh, currently leading. Oh, and I get killed by Geezer in my face. You are Tom? Oh gosh! Oh, I just looked at the tab list. Oh. Now it's Danny and Tom, or Pandy and Tom, I think, engaged there. Nope, it was Danny. Not on top of that. And yeah, I don't even think I shot there. Didn't mean to shoot. I'll take it. Magic Mook is carrying me right now. 16 to 11. 12. 15 to 13. Not that it's a competition. Massive kill streak. Oh gosh. Unstoppable. I should really add like the proper kill streak messages to this game. Machamuka, it's me. Everyone shoots their team in this game by accident. Oh my gosh. Wait, really? Is that actually what's happening? What the heck? How is that happening even? You could have just told me in game chat. You didn't need to tell me. You could have just said in game chat. Oh gosh, what's going on here? What is going on here? Oh yeah, oh yeah, sorry, my bad, my bad. Of course you can't type in game chat. What am I thinking? Okay, so what is killing you? Over again. Let me teleport you out and see what happens. See if it's something to do with you or something to do with... Oh. Try relogging. Not sure what could fix that. Try relogging. Yeah, I had no idea you weren't even in the game. I was wondering why I didn't see you in the kill feed at all, now that I think about it. Yeah, just try relogging and see if that does anything. Okay, no, still happening. This is, clear. Hey, Magic Buka, you're on your own for a bit. But I think we're already leading, so we're good. We're already in second. I gotta help him out. Okay, that should make it stop killing. No, it's still killing you. Something is killing you then. Let me see if you have a list that it doesn't like. Let me try removing that tag. Okay, it really does not like. Yeah, I'm not even sure what's killing you. There's no command to slash kill unless. Oh dear. Oh wait, I think I know what might be going on here. Is this shouldn't do anything. Yeah, so I had never seen this. This never happened before, so I have no idea what is going on. That should. Yeah, I've never seen that happen before. That's interesting. Still happening. Yeah, I can't teleport you to me anymore. We're just instantly just despawning. I don't know why it's killing you. Not sure if what did you did nothing wrong. Yeah, there is no command in this game to slash kill, so does it not like something about you or does it not like the only thing I can think of is it's giving instant. Let me try killing you myself. Well, only one thing to try. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Um Oh, Jordan, did we get you back in? Okay, Jordan, I need you to disconnect. I need you to disconnect for a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, hey, Connor, you made it in. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna unload this world now. Okay, and now if you reconnect, you might be good. Might be able to play. Hey, there you are. There we go. So I'm not sure what was going on with you there. You have no tags that it doesn't like. You have nothing. There is no /kill command that exists in that game's code at all, but somehow you still found a way to die. But okay, not your fault though. Okay, we'll do one more laser tag and then we'll go on to counter push. So one more of laser tag. Let's see if it kills you instantly again. It really shouldn't be doing that. All right, Stringy. Thanks for playing for now. I think we might just do a free for all. So I'll make sure you're loaded in instantly this time. Well, you can't move. No, Danny, he was actually stuck in the spawn pod. He was actually stuck and he couldn't do anything. Looks like clearing all your effects. Yeah, there is nothing. It must be a problem with your client then. I don't think anything that the server would do would possibly cause that. You might just have to restart Minecraft. That's all we can really do. It's like there's nothing in this game code that could possibly that is programmed to kill besides the first command, but that's only temporary and that couldn't have gone off because it would have killed all of us. Because yeah, this would have killed everyone. And it didn't go off in the last 10 minutes, so yeah, when you come back we'll start then. So Connor, I'm sure you know exactly what to do from watching us play, so shouldn't be anything new. Other than that, I think everyone's good to go. I think we'll do we'll do a free for all. Gonna reset the game real quick. And we'll start when everyone is ready and loaded. Yeah, I might make maybe even this week if I remember to do it. I might do a second map for this game. Oh, I should probably mention that there will be no Minecraft games next Sunday or next week at all. Actually, I think there might. I forgot about something actually, so there will be no Minecraft stream next Sunday because I will be busy that day, as well as maybe the one after that. But yeah, there will be nothing next Sunday for Minecraft, so as I will not be available to stream on the July 5th. I will potentially not be available. Oh, really? Is it some issues? Okay. Andy, no. Don't say that here. So it's per world info where there might be an issue then? Could be. It's okay, Pandy. There's a reason why I don't really allow that joke on my server anymore, or never really allowed it. All right, let's get started. Hopefully, okay, you are able to move now, so that's a good sign. All right, let's get started. So yeah, free for all this time. So good luck. You're on your own. That means shoot everyone. No teammates here. All right, we wait. All right, we get spread out. Here we go. 2, 1. First, I'm going to teleport to Jordan to make sure you're good. It's Jordan, who is still stuck in the spawn pod again. For the second time. What? How is... What? I'm gonna try this. Yeah. Okay, I know how we have to find which one. We have to find Jordan's UUID. We have to find Jordan's UUID. And then delete the file for it in player data. We have to delete Jordan's player data. That's what we have to do. Okay, tell me when you've done it then, and then we'll get Jordan to relog. Actually, yeah, Jordan, we'll need you to disconnect for now. And we'll tell you when it's good to come back. So we're going to delete your player data and see if that does anything. Hello. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I am not properly set up. Hold on. I appear to not have the health attribute properly. What the heck? How do I not have the health attribute properly? Where's my armor? I appear to have basically infinite health, or I am immortal. It's the armor replacement. Up here. Half the stream is just me fixing the game now. It's gone into those days where I used to just spend half the stream just fixing the game instead of actually playing. Oh, you know what? I just realized my armor's probably there still. Okay, well, it appears that I am bugged, so I will not play because I can't. Okay, Jordan, try getting back in the game. We think we may have fixed it. Question is, have we fixed it? Maybe not. Well, we'll find out. So I'm just gonna spectate now for the rest of the game. Okay, what's going on here? Andy's playing at mid here. Oh, double kill. Oh, it's still happening. Oh, wait, actually, no, was it? Yeah, it's still happening. Uh, you're really not sure what's going on here? I don't think so. Are you, Jordan? Are you using a hacked client? Okay, no, just vanilla. No, it was only happening on the laser tag world. Yeah, no, it's fine. We believe you. You are using vanilla client. I'll just spectate the mid for now. I'll spectate Pandy for the time being. Oh, Pandy's getting the kills. Like there was a little bit of a fight there. Broke out. Tom kills TJP. And he chases Tom. Yeah, no, this error had never happened before with anyone else, so that's why it's brand new to us. We've never seen this issue before. Let me check Geezer's health. He does have 1 HP. I mean, you might as well disconnect because we're gonna get off the server anyway. So we'll try to fix you later, but we're not really sure what we can do at the moment. This is a new issue to us, and we're on stream right now, so can't really fix it. So yeah, we're gonna play on the next server anyways to get the IP in the ready to go. About 3 minutes, we'll switch servers. All right, Danny kills Connor, and he also kills Tom. DJP and Pandy have a trade, and Danny kills Magic Muka, currently in 2nd place to Pandy. Tom in 3rd place. Geezer in 4th, not far behind. Magic Muka 5th. All right, that's awesome then. Yeah, we're gonna switch servers soon. So obviously the new server doesn't use per world inventories. That definitely won't be an issue there. That's for sure. Will not be a problem on the new server, given that we are not. I mean, there have been problems with health attributes recently, so not exactly sure what's going on, but there have been problems with them in the past. But yeah, this is a brand new issue to all of us, so never before been seen. Danny picks up a 3. Actually, that was a 3 streak. No, it wouldn't be. Again, Jordan doesn't have any tags at all on him. He literally has no tags. That would be leading that to happen. And no scoreboard objectives either. That would be killing him. All right, minute and 15 seconds left. Just remember that you will need version 1.15.2, so you will need an older version of the game, 1.15.2, in order to play on the newest, on the Counterpush server, 1.15.2. And since we have pretty much exactly 10 players, or 11, 9 to 11, we'll be good to go, pretty much. Good to go as is. And he picks up 2. Connor would like to stop that. Here we go. They're gonna. Oh, Danny peeks the corner and gets the kill. Tom would also like to put an end to it, but Danny's gonna. Well, comes out with the trade, so 4K. And now Danny is taking the lead by 1 kill. It's gonna all come down to this right here. Danny versus TJP gets the lead with 39 now. Gets another kill. Oh, Danny gets a 4K. 42 to 38 now. And kills Pandy, just to put it in his face, and gets a 5 kill before Tom eventually stops it. Only 5 seconds left now. Tom versus Pandy here. And I think that's just gonna do it. Danny takes the lead in the last minute of the game. Takes the lead away from Pandy. Brings us 43 to 38. Alright guys, time to switch servers. So if you guys don't have the server IP, let me know and I'll give it to you, but it also is in the description of the stream if you guys need it. So it's the 2nd IP called the Counterpush IP. So go join us in that. So remember, you will need 1.15.2 to play on that server. 1.16 is not going to work. Let's quickly change the IP of the stream. So yeah, just remember 1.15 or 1.16 is not going to work. Oops, didn't mean to destroy that, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, Jordan, it shouldn't happen on this server. It shouldn't happen because we don't even have that plugin that was causing it. So let's just make sure. Okay, good, it's not happening. All right, so balance changes, not much. For tank E, I lowered the duration, or I put a 5-second limit on how long you can have the effects, personal guard and tracker. There is now a 5-second limit on those. Other than that, well, 5-second limit on. This is from our game from yesterday, actually, on Castle Crusaders, yesterday's game. So yeah, 5-second limit. What did I say? Oh yeah, Brawler B, I decreased the final cost a little bit. Brawler E, I actually gave an Iron Sword. Actually, I think I forgot to give it an Iron Sword in the actual code. Oops. Well, I guess still it's a Stone Sword for now, then. Oops, my bad. But I did decrease the cost of bones to allow dogs to come back a lot more faster now. Well, I increased the passive regen, and as well as I increased the multiplier for how many bones you get for attacking from 5 down to 3, or the divider actually, so that you get bones faster. I also changed for sniper, I changed the D to allow the magnet arrow to actually work again. I also believe I think that's all I changed actually, and then for support E or support B, I lowered it, I weakened it just a bit, just a smudge. All right, so all right, 6 players. I think we can potentially make this work. If not, we'll wait for anyone else to come on. So yeah, 6 players. Well, 6 players, but make this work. So yeah, not too much has changed in yesterday's balance update, but a couple things were fixed. I fixed the brawler thing for sure. Like I think Geezer, you remember you were having like instant charge. I know Geezer was having instant charge brawler finals. That's been fixed. I found out what the issue was as well. It was actually it was changing the blue person's final, so the blue person's final was oscillating and the red person was getting it instantly. Because the red boss bar was set to 100 by default. And since obviously 100 is less than the cost of like 1,300 was what it should be, obviously you get it like 13 times faster than you should. So that was an issue, but that was fixed. Yeah, I think that was for 1.14 update actually. I bet you is when we did that. So yeah, that plugin is far, far out of date, but it's finally updated now. So yeah, tank E has finally been corrected. I figured out what the issue was as well. It turns out it was only going to remove in certain situations, which was not correct. It should have been removing in all situations. All right, we waiting for anyone else, or are we going to get started? But yeah, I did update the game a little bit. Restarting at 8 games. All right, sounds good. Hopefully that should fix Jordan permanently, and anyone else who might have been having that issue, because it could have been someone else too. But yeah, I've never seen attributes causing that kind of disruption. chaos before, or instant death. Wondering why it wasn't showing in the kill feed either, so I had no idea. The kill feed showing up there. And then again, kill feed sometimes is bugged, so just a general thing. All right, I'm going to start in about a minute. If anyone else wants to get on, the IP's in the bottom right. Everyone's able to join, of course. Awesome. Things you write. Yeah, I'd probably also write something like that if I were making a plugin. I'd probably write something along those lines. I should really make this 1 block wider. This is really narrow. I never realized how narrow this was right here. I'm going to make this 1 block wider when I get the time. Then again, nothing usually happens on point B of Chaos Crusaders, so usually the fight just goes through A and then it just keeps going after that. So that's usually just what happens on Chaos Crusaders. Usually point A usually gets broken through, then point B is usually easy, and then point C is where it actually gets stopped. That's how Chaos Crusaders plays out most of the time, from my experience. No errors in console? Alright. Okay, we'll get started in about a minute then. As soon as you come back, we'll be able to begin. Other than that, yeah, no other changes have come through on the live version of the game. We are now on 1.4.0. Alright. Get started. Well, I think we'll do a 3v3, but I'll spectate. We'll do tankless and we'll do tricksterless. Because I know that's what you guys probably want. So, yeah. Let's do some quick play. Oh yeah, I had to reset the world, so I didn't remove it because I had to import the new one. So it kind of got deleted. Well, that happened. All right, one team is gonna have. Here's what I'm gonna do. Obviously, Danny and Pandy have to be separated. That is not gonna happen. Okay, so one team I think we'll have Danny, and we'll also have Stringy, and then I guess we'll have the red people. Yeah, red versus blue. This actually works out kind of nice. Red versus blue and gray. That actually suits you guys really well. So there always is TPS lag when we first load up, but after that, it's all good to go. After that, most of the time at least. Everyone here knows how to play, so should be no surprises here. All right, looks like it's going to be the. Well, I shouldn't spoil what I see. Oh, I didn't change the version number, so it still says 1.3.5, but it's actually 1.4. I did not change the sidebar, but it actually is 1.4, not 1.3.5. Just a visual thing, but it doesn't really matter too much. All right, so it is circle push, so control the middle, push the card in circles. One of your rotations wins, best of 3. Best of 3 wins the match. All right, looks like it is going to be the A brawler coming up from TJP, but the C brawler from Stringy. An interesting pick. We don't really see the C brawler that often. Andy versus Danny on the sniper. Oh yeah, game rule advance announcement should be set to false, but for some reason it's true. TJP goes in the backline flank. Let's see what's going to happen here. Stringy's or Jordan's going to try to heal them up. Potions. Oh no, Jordan actually will be the last one standing and will die. And now the blue team will get the... Jordan actually refusing to die, but actually will now get focused down. So also Jordan Throw your potion to give 2 hearts to all your teammates. That's how that works. You also have an aura heal with you as well. Danny now gets focused down and antsied out, and Stringy is potentially going to die here. Stringy comes out in the bee brawler. Oh, is it really broken? Oh. Why is my phone not charging? My phone charger's broken too. Why is it not charging? Okay, now it is. They're gonna leave Tom. Looks like they're gonna leave Tom to do all the work on the cart while everyone else pushes up to spawn. It looks like. It looks like TJP and Jordan will focus down, or Danny and TJP. Danny and Jordan will focus down TJP, and Jordan gets the kill at the end. And he finishes off. And Stringy gets the first cart rotation in. Will end up dying as a result. And the blue team is free to take control back of the point. Here comes Fanny with the final. It's going to be a lot of arrows going in. Stringy and Danny will focus down Tom. We'll take him out. The wither arrows, though, gonna do a lot of work, and we'll melt down Jordan somewhere. And I'm not sure where Pandy is. Nope, there Pandy is. Kill Stringy, but Danny gets the finish. And our red team now in control of this point for the time being. Alright, looks like Pandy's now in the back line. Tom's on the high ground now. Johnson throws him with the double push and immediately focused down Jordan, and now there's no healing on the side of red. Now it's just Danny on his own, but it's 13. Is it really still not working? I thought I fixed it. I did find the issue with it that was different from blue and red and fixed it. Corrected it to be the same. Oh wait, did I not change it on the SCP? I think I might not have. Don't blame your team. Don't blame team. Alright, I'll leave the camera right here while I fix the SCP. Alright, let's see here. Kits 3 E red.mc function. Oh gosh, it really was wrong on here then. Alright, that should fix it. Potentially. That will likely be a fix for it. Alright, round 1 goes to blue team. We now move on to our next map. Alright, it's going to be Nunala Hotel. The E-Sniper should be good now. In theory, it should be good now. Here, we'll do this. Oh. Here, try it on me. Oh wait, actually. Now do it. Alright, we fixed it. Okay, whatever. That one block hole isn't going to do that big of an issue. Alright, here we go for real this time. 20 seconds. Okay, so yeah, now we know that that works for sure. So here we go, on to our second point here. Both teams trying to get the rotations in to win. Red team needs to get this round secured up if they want to keep this series alive. The blue team now at match point to win this game. Who will win? 20 rotations to win. Let's see how it goes. Round 2. For some reason, I thought red was on the other side, but my bad. Oh, and TJP fall. Oh yeah, guys, watch out. The water kills you. Water will straight up just kill you. So do not go in the water. That is a terrible idea. You do not want to go swimming in this game. You will instantly just die. Yeah, the water is burning and will kill you. Pandy will kill off Jordan here. Stringy will take out TJP. Hey, Corin, welcome. Oh no, I didn't. Because we're on a different server now. This is the counter push server. We now have Idiot Games. There's Idiot Games and there's counter push. They're separate. And Stringy clutches out. Stringy clutches out with 1 health. How? Stringy. Oh, Stringy, you don't have to look at the card anymore. You realize, right? You don't have to look at it anymore. You just stand near within 5 blocks. It'll start moving on its own. You don't have to look at the card anymore. No, absolutely not. Oh, TJP gets tranquilized there, but gets healed up by Tom in response. Yeah, remember, it's different. Because the old server couldn't handle counter push anymore. So we made a new server just for counter push. Pretty cool, right? Well. But I don't know if we're going to have another tier 2 game. There's not really enough players to hold the tier 2 game right now. That's the problem. There's just not enough players and not enough demand. We could hold a tier 2 game if you guys wanted, but I mean, there's not really enough demand for it. That's the problem, right? There's not enough demand. Hey, Jordan, throw your potions and you'll give everyone near you 2 extra hearts. Yeah, I know, Corn. That's kind of unfortunate. I kind of feel bad for you, though. I mean, there's a few players who I know want to play. But I mean... But really? Oh my gosh, do I have to fix it again? I swear I already fixed it. But now Pandy's on the D, so it doesn't even matter. I mean, like, Corin, like, we could host a tier 2 game. That's the thing, right? Like, we could host a tier 2 game, but I don't know. We have to include a couple tier 1 players. That's the problem, right? So, I mean... If you guys wanted, we could hold a tier 2 game. So, like, people like... I mean, anyone else who's not a tier 1 could be in it. That's the thing, right? And now Pandy gets locked. Like, we could hold a tier 2 game for sure. If there was demand for it, but I mean, is there demand for it? That's the question, right? Like, do we need 10 players who are not a tier 1? I guess, yeah. I mean, do you guys want to do that? I mean, we could host a tier 2 game. We could maybe like limit of like 1 or 2 players from tier 2 or tier 1 could maybe come out to the team to help out, but everyone else is tier 2. Something like that. Fair enough. I mean, the thing is, like, we could host a tier 2 if there was enough players. We could also just do a 4v4 as well. That could be so. We only need at least 8 players, who I know for sure could be in it. We could get players from different areas. Maybe we'll get like limit of 1 or something like that. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. So yeah, maybe we'll do a tier 2. Maybe we'll do like the tier 2 and then tier 1, sort of like last time. Pretty much, yeah. Like, we could definitely do that for sure. If you really wanted that, I can try to make that work for, because I mean, I wanted to host another tier 2, but like, do we have enough players? We only need at least 8, I guess, so we'll see. We'll see. I could look into doing that, Corin, if you want. Maybe in like 2 weeks from now. We'll do like the tier 2. We'll do like what we did for Pi Day. We'll do like the tier 2 and then the tier 1 match afterwards. Sort of like the same format. I could definitely do that. Like, that wouldn't be totally possible. All right. Next game. We'll do a 4v4 tricksterless on. Also, we'll do the same teams, but I'm going to join red, and we'll have Corin on blue. So same teams, but I'll join red and Corin on blue. I think that could totally work. Yeah, Stringy, join us. All right, here we go. We're going to make this work. Stringy, you want to go in tank? All right. We'll gladly play support for you guys. Yeah, I think Jordan would probably be way better on Brawler. We'll make this work. I'll play the support role, of course. Why is Tom on tank? Okay, we're attack. Okay, guys, make sure Corin knows the way out. Because I don't know if you've ever played an Idiot World before, so make sure Corin knows where he's going. Guide him out if you have to. Oh yeah, we don't have. Now we have. I could send you a document if you want. There's like a Google Doc that has all the info. Now they're all in a Google Doc now. I could send it to you if you wanted. Actually, I'll do that after the stream. I'll send you the Google Doc link, so you could I'll save it somewhere if you wanted. It details all the as well as the modes as well. But you should know all the modes by now. Yeah, of course. Corin, I would really recommend not playing. In fact, I'm actually going to ask you to change. I really do not want you to play that kit. It is a very, 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 very hard kit to play, so I'm actually going to force you to swap. I'll do it for that. I'll just do it for you. Select A or B. Oh yeah, B is good. So basically B, throw the mini heal at teammates to heal them. Throw the double potion to heal teammates and damage. It heals and damages at the same time. Double potion heals teammates and also does damage and also denies them healing. Well, no, E is kind of hard to play. You have to keep hooking on to people. And it's kind of it's a much higher skill or a higher really high skill to play and game sense. But B is a lot simpler. So B, throw the mini heal at teammates to heal them up. And yeah, that's all you got to do. Mini heal for teammates. Remember, you can't heal yourself with it. And then double potion heal teammates, yourself, or... Oh my gosh. No, it's just that's hard to play on the first time. I think Corin probably could play it, but it's just the game sense. Corin probably could play it if he wanted. All right, 30 seconds. Now we got this, Danny. Trust me. Yeah, you gotta use your attack indicator, pretty much. Attack indicator is really helpful. On the C tanks, you got the speed potion, so we're really good. We got the speed. Ah, I'm tranquilized. Nice. Get the kills. Come back to me if you need healing. So I'm going to be on the cart for pretty much the whole game, so yeah, chase him down. Stringy, the way to play C-Tank is you use the potion to try to chase down the enemies, while I keep everyone healed up on the cart. Nice, nice. Strength. Oh, freeze core in midair. I got you guys. Maybe I don't got you guys. No, I got you. Nice, nice. We're making this work. Danny, you're blocking the. Okay. You guys are blocking. Remember, Jordan, you don't have to look at the cart anymore. It just moves on its own. You don't have to look at the cart at all. You can just like walk around. You just have to be near it within 5 blocks. I got you. I was like, wait, why is Tom in the front line? Then I realized that he wasn't on support. Or wasn't on... Yeah, wasn't on support. That totally made sense after that. Nice, nice. Got you. I'm gonna try to heal you from there. Oh my gosh. I can give us extra health. Nice. Reduce like the... I can't really reduce the particle effects, unfortunately. That's out of my control. Come to me if you need healing. Actually, screw it. You know what? Let's just get out of here. That's our first. Well, it's on defense. $10? Well, $10 is pretty good. That's what I had a feeling it was going to be. But $10 is $10. Well, that doesn't get changed. Guys, don't go in alone. Wait for everyone. Otherwise, we're just going to feed. We can finish off TJP here. Yeah, I got you. Nice. Let's get this cart rolling. So you're actually using the tank C pretty well. Not gonna lie. I don't know why you switched off being a tank main. You were actually doing pretty well for what you're supposed to do with a C tank, with the engagements. I'm 1 health. I gotta back up here. Don't peek Pandy. They have extra health. You know what? Whatever. We can just lose this fight. It's fine. We can just lose this fight. It's all good. We have plenty of time. Jordan, let's just get out of here. Because I can only play, it only blocks melee. Alright, let's give us all extra health when we go in. Yeah, here we go. So, you all know this is a game of engage and disengage. Now is the time to engage. Well, already engaged, so now is the time to keep the fight going. Oh man, Tom disrupted me. Nice, nice. I think they tranked each other. Oh wait, no. Remember, Corin, you can't heal yourself with the mini heal, only with the double. The mini heal does not heal yourself. Oh gosh, both brawlers are actually no. Their brawler, our sniper pops finals at the same time. Oh my gosh, we're so close to finishing this map. We could clutch this out here. Ah. Both teams very close. Oh no, Pandy gets the kills in the end and denies us the point. But it's okay. We were only like 1 block away though. My God, we were like actually like one block away pretty much. That's how close we were. So close. Finish will be denied. Gotta wait for everyone to respawn before we go in. There we go. The tranquilizer plus double potion is pretty good combined. Oh no, that disrupts all of us. No one can attack. I didn't have that double potion fast enough. Andy, this is the madman. Kills everybody. Now we're down to 15.4 TPS. I don't know why it's only ever going down now. Jordan, where are you going? It's not the way in. Stringy, no, you gotta engage with us. Our sniper's dead. No, their support is dead. So is our sniper. And now we're all dead. We got one more chance. We got this. Okay, the sniper final coming out. Oh no. Making this work. Oh no, Tom is just chasing me. No, someone's got to be on the cart at all times. Otherwise we lose. Jordan, you're going to have to get on. You're going to have to rush to the cart as fast as you can. Coming out with the clutch C, see if that can do anything. No, Stringy, no. We were all going in alone sometimes. Or some of you guys were. I mean, not Danny, everyone else though. Like Stringy, when the entire team is dead, you never push when the entire team is dead. Otherwise, you literally just run it on your own and kind of just feed. Not trying to be mean at all, but that's exactly what was happening. So if you try to if you play a lot more with the team and try to I mean, you are the tank, right? So if you rush in on your own, you will die. Like that's just a given. That's a fact. You will die if you rush in on your own. Like you will get focused down and just killed. You actually like playing support? Oh boy. You're doing a pretty good job of keeping most of them healed up, so weren't doing that bad. Alright boys, follow me. But yeah, Stringy, if you play a lot more with the rest of the team, they'll be pretty good. You guys get up here. Stringy, get up here. The cold drop the axe. You'll disable someone for a second. Stringy, come back. Gosh. Hold on. If you guys need healing, stop running away from me. You guys come back. Please come back to me if you need healing. Instead of running away, I can't help you. Okay, Corin, you really shouldn't be doing that if you want to play support, actually. That is that will get you killed pretty much every time. If you do that into the tier 1 team, they will focus you down. They will punish you for that. Groink or Happy Waffle. If you did that against Groink and Happy Waffle, that you will get killed. You will get killed. Every time. Forced to contest here. You and the... And we're just going to have to give that point up then. Okay, we'll fight on C. We'll hold on C for 8 minutes. We got this. That's a good question, Doggy. You do not know the answer. Actually, we could probably contest this at the end. Why do you guys go underneath? The big brain flank. Danny, but no. That was actually a big brain flank, though. Oh my gosh, the burn. Unlucky. Not gonna feel good. Nice kill on Pandy. The arrow's gonna be huge. Spawn a fox with a sharp 100 sword. Ah! I'm gonna die to fire. Oh no! I couldn't get the double potion out in time. Oh no. That was super unlucky. Make sure to take the left path now, that's the only way out. As we were literally, okay, we were 3 blocks off. Okay, we weren't 1 block off, we were 3 blocks off. Oh, my double potion went off the map. That was pain. Double potion goes straight off the map by accident. That is not what I wanted to do. Not good game, guys. Pretty close, though. It lasts 6. Alright, now we can have Doggy and Clark in the game. Our Brawler B specialists. I mean, the thing is, Corin, you're playing you're not playing a DPS. You're playing a team support role. So like, you have to be coordinated with your team. As Jesse and Tom could tell you, you have to be with your team at all times. You have to coordinate with them. You have to make sure that you know what they're all doing. You basically have to be like the, I'll say, you have to not like the tank. The tank and support are kind of like the team roles. You gotta be focusing with your tank as well. With your support, communication with your tank is very, very important as much as possible. Make sure you guys are in the same. Make sure you guys are on the same page. All right, TGP, how long? We'll do it. I could try to make a shorter game then for the next one. We'll play like maybe 2 or 3 more for today. I think sounds good. Most of the time, yeah. The experience from other games, other shooters helps out a lot. Sniper. My Pandy is pretty much best sniper on the server most of the time. And he also really good at sniper. The thing is with the sniper is that you got to play the other sniper. The sniper v sniper match is very important. You have to be focusing the other sniper because as soon as the other sniper's gone, you're free to take out the rest of the team pretty much. Throwing, but you can't play your mains. Oh gosh, that is, I do not want to do that. Let's do a quick play on Hot Dogu with a rework. Actually, no, let's make a little bit of a change. 10-year training arc to dethrone. Pandy's the best sniper on the server. Find tons of shooters. We're going to do this. Yeah, I don't think we're having Groink on all in one team. All right. Well, if we are, okay, Clark is going to obviously join me on green. Gordon, you can join us as well. No, that is not happening. All right, TJP, you can join us as well then. All right, everyone else on purple. Bring a Doggy. Oh, Doggy's changed skins. All right, we'll make another change. We'll send TJP over, and we'll take Corin. How about that? Oh, people crash. How did you get kicked for spam pressing Q? Oh yeah, this map is a rainy map now because of the new changes. All right, Corin, you can take support. I'll try out Trickster, and Jordan can take the brawler. Why is Tom not playing support? What's going on? Well, this is going to be a fun thing to play on this map. Just kidding, it's not going to work anymore. Why can we see each other's kits? That's something I should have fixed ages ago. Why we can see each other's kits. Alright guys, follow Clark. Everyone follow Clark. Otherwise, you're throwing. No, you're not supposed to be able to see enemy kits. Okay, also, weather. Clear up the weather itch. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm not playing support, so I forgot to change the faster attack speed. You can also hack one of the health packs behind. I'm also going to hack the health pack down in the steam room. Kind of forgot that I was... What is it, Doggy? Are you stuck in spawn? I'll just try killing you then. See if that does anything. Oh yeah, there's nothing going on that would be doing that, so... We tried clearing your effects. Oh, no. Okay, there you go. Oh, I'm tranquilized. Thank you, Corin. Focus down. Thanks, Clark. No, it's fine. I know. We were testing it yesterday and it was working every time there, so I don't know why it's not working now in the game, because it's not any different. Not any different. I'm gonna probe this health pack back here. Nope, Tom, that's not gonna work. And remember, only we can use that health pack. It's ours. Oh gosh, was that actually the explosion arrow from Pandy? Okay, watch this. I'm gonna use this. There we go. Okay, next match I'll let you guys play full Groink, just for fun. I'll let you guys play full Groink. Alright, full Groink on red team versus my team on green. Well, yeah, pretty much. On Castle Crusaders. Yep, that's full Groink. Alright, TGP, come over here. Yeah, sure. I'll take support. Clark will take tank, I think. Jordan can take... Groink versus not Groink. Please say we're defending first. Or attacking. There we go. Oh. Stringy, you're rejoining? Because, Clark, I can just manually add. Oh, there's a couple. Well, the other kits in the meta too, like tanks. I mean, right now we don't know. We don't know what the best. I mean, tank support B. Support B is currently also the best. Well, TGB you already selected, so you shouldn't have any. You want to select unless you want to select multiple kits. Just be the 5-in-1, the tank, the support, the trickster, the sniper, the brawler, all in one. That would be well, stupid for obvious reasons. You know, it actually is possible to have multiple kits on the same person. It's actually not that hard to do, but the thing is, no, I want to wait to see if Stringy comes back. Now we have a problem. If not, we'll just have to do a supportless game. You guys have a support or? No, wait, Tom is a support. What do you guys not have then? Okay, tank is what he didn't select. All right. And now you were able to unselect. Interesting. Seems that some people can't unselect, even though everyone's supposed to be able to unselect classes. You guys want to play 4v5? I mean, or do you guys want someone to sit out? I'll let you guys pick. Four v five. All right. Well, you guys are asking for this. Let's do this. No, it's fine. It's fine, TJP. Play as long as you need to, or as long as you can. So we'll do like a 4.5 v5. You can play. It's all good. Anyone else stuck in spawn? Anyone else? Now, Corn, you have to be on a team for this server. You have to be on an official team. Okay, everyone's here. So are we. 45 seconds. Okay, Jordan, this is the way. Want someone new to join? Epic gamer music. Oh my gosh. No, definitely we'll be making I could give you the free agent role if you wanted on this server. I can mark you as free agent if you wanted, which might actually be suited for you. All right, here we go. 4v5. No, Clark. I'm not doing that. Oh my gosh. I just saw Clark's health go from like everything to nothing. But it's okay. Jordan gets a kill. Oh my gosh, now I'm dead. I guess I'll go B, but I'm sure that C can work. Oh boy, the E sniper comes out from us. Gordon, I'm sure you'll figure out how to use it pretty fast. Not that hard to use. We'll quickly learn. Yeah, we gotta stop the cart too. That's the whole purpose of this mission. Oh my gosh, and Tom just denies me the ability to fight. Clark avenges me. Then Doggy takes down TGP. Now it's a full-on 3v3. Oh no, I died so early. Oh my gosh, it is, isn't it? Why? I need to change that permanently now. We lost the checkpoint. I really hope you guys know the way out of the castle. Oh no. You guys don't know out of the way of the castle, do you? Alright, Corin knows. Lark will know as well. Corin, where are you going? You know that's gonna end in you killed. Never mind, here comes the team. Guys, Penny's behind us. Oh no. It's Jordan. How are we still holding on? Somehow, through all of that, we managed to hold on. Jordan, come back, come back. Don't go too far in. Ah! Oh, he was chasing me down. You guys should be good. Thanks, Jordan, but... Sniper and Trickster left. At this point, everyone should know the way out of the castle. Oh no, again? I swear I fixed that already. Multiple times. Corin frags out. I mean, it's not going to work again, but sure. I think it's because it's clearing it immediately, I think. That's what I think it might be going on. The extra health. Or the E as well. Works too. Oh no. They're in our back line. We gotta stop this cart moving, otherwise they're just gonna move it for free. I think they will pick up the last checkpoint here. Greenkeeper kills Danny. You have lost your movement privileges. Yeah, apparently it's a bug. I will look. I'm gonna. No, I say that too often. Not gonna say that again because you guys won't take me seriously, but it's a known issue. Oh gosh, we are barely holding on at this last checkpoint. You know, the checkpoint, the cart never gets stopped at point B. It almost rarely, usually always goes to C or gets stopped before even A. And now we might see the rare point B hold. First time in a while. Step right up if you need healing. Oh no, Pandy. Or I mean Corin. We can win this fight. I have confidence. Oh no, watch out, watch out! Oh, thank goodness Jordan blocked that. Even if that kills everyone, that would still be good. Oh no, they blocked it too. Nice, nice. Oh wait, no, we're losing. No, they got it. Also, I think this will be last match for today. So yeah. No, Jordan's Danny Ears got blocked by Jordan, but I'm not sure about Clark's though. I didn't see it, but I know Jordan blocked yours. Huge kill on Pandy. Okay, we got to defend. Let's just defend here for the last bit of the game. And Tom somehow distracts us enough to let Doggy come back in. TJP's final. Oh gosh, Corin, you're about to die here. Yeah, 4 hearts is enough to kill. I know, I thought the TPS was better, but it wasn't. Turns out it was not. You should try playing support on low TPS though, that's a real experience. Oh no, someone's got to get on the cart last second. You got to tag it. Stay on it. Oh my gosh. They're fighting around this choke point very heavily. Right, Clark, I got you. Oh no! My final got cancelled. I think I kept it though. Barely. Clark's final is gonna have to be huge with a zombie. Both creepers coming in. TJP falls, Clark falls. Oh, gosh, so stressful. No, they barely complete the map. How did you guys manage to complete that? How? You guys did pretty good. The overtime clutch on both points. I'm gonna try this thing out. This might work for a bit. This attacking round's gonna be huge. Know it. Alright, here we go. Nope. Instantly killed. Do a lot of trades though. Trades are really helpful though, especially when so we're gonna have to watch out for those health packs that we cannot use. Looks like it's a B Trickster mirror. I think B Trickster might actually be really good, with the health packs really useful. Guys are all blocked. I can't heal that. Oh gosh, Pandy gets 3. Not doing the aim, by the way. Jordan gets Pandy. Jordan, you're anti-ed, I can't heal. Finally, the first checkpoint's gained. 4:20 on the clock. Always love killing as the support. Well. Kill Tom to delay the respawn. Oh my gosh. How? That did not go as planned. That's one way to lose the support 1v1. Nice, Clark. Oh no, TJP falls. Maybe I will host a tier 2 game. Actually, there's a lot of... Pretty much everyone here is doing pretty good. Only some people on tier 1 teams. Should have been healing. Oops. Watch out, that thing is deadly if you get stuck in the, if you get trapped by the 5-in-1. Toast. Desperately need to kill Doggy. Nice. It's gonna be like the game-ish. Oh no, someone fell into the water. Oh no. Okay, we're good. Let's just come back together, I guess. Now it's the A tank for... Oh, the A tank is what we've been using the whole time. They're running the X tank. Yeah, no, the 5-in-1 is pretty quick to charge actually. Pretty quick one. Because it is less, a little bit more. No. A lot of vitals coming in. Nice. We're executing these rush downs pretty well. I will say the meta right now I think is pretty good. It's not bubble barrier, it's not I think the meta probably right now is probably like, I think tank, you can run anything really. So I think honestly for tank, you can run anything. Brawler, same thing. You can pretty much run any brawler. Maybe not B or E, but you can run any brawler, I think. At least A or D. And be good. For support, definitely B is the best right now. B for best. For sniper, I definitely would say E is good, but I think D and A are also still good. Just not as good, but still can work. Various situations. First, yeah, I think sniper and support are probably the most like meta right now, or the most like only one is good. Oh my gosh, Corrin. This is why. Corrin is actually a good player. No, Corrin has the aim. I've seen Corrin play. He has the aim for sure. No doubt about that. Let's finish the map. Nice. Both teams are insane. I'll be honest, you guys are all doing really good in this game right now, though. You guys are all doing pretty good. Yeah, Jordan, you've suddenly just improved, especially from that first game you played today, Jordan. You're doing way better already. TJP, you've been doing really good the last few matches I've seen. You've definitely been improving since you started playing. You only picked up the game like a couple weeks ago, and you're already like doing pretty good. Or, like you're already like not matching, but like you're doing pretty close to the tier 2s or the tier 1s. All right, guys, let's go. Nobody forgot. Yelling at the non-existent tank. All right, TJP, then thanks for playing. Okay, well now it's 4v4. Hey, thanks for playing. That was pretty good. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Jordan, you're doing. No. I was trying to. And Isaac will start off the fight dead. But it doesn't even matter as Corrin gets 2. And... No, guys, it was a bait. It was a bait. It was a bait the whole time. Corrin gets 3. It was a bait the whole time. See? I wanted to make you guys think you were going to be good, but then Corrin actually gets 3, right, Corrin? That was all planned all along. See, it all worked out. Corrin, stop running away. I'm trying to heal you. Yeah, except this time Clark, it actually worked because it made them think that they were going to have an easy first fight and then they lost. So it actually did something good, Clark. Unlike aces. Okay, well now we're losing, but it's okay. We've already got them to overtime, pretty much. When the fail ends up actually working out for your team. Yeah, we'll get on last second, I think. Alright, boys, let's go. Oh gosh, I get antied and deleted so fast. No! Penny gets 2. Come on, Jordan and Corrin. You got... Yeah, nice! Nice job. Nice clutch. I guess we're basically doing scrims again today. Well, this will be the last game for today, but basically this is another scrim. Corin actually joins Happy Waffles. I mean, Corin did play Sniper for them in Pi Day Melee and actually did pretty well. Like, Corin actually did pretty well in that game, so I mean, it wouldn't be completely impossible. Corin did play quite well in that game. Even if it was a loss at the end, it was still a good performance, nonetheless. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. And there is nothing, there's no block loaded on the cart for some reason. Anyways, we just gotta finish all of point A. Come back to the cart if you need healing. All right, here we go. Just dog eat down. No, Corin, no. No, I'm gonna keep you alive. You're the MVP right now. Nice. Pretty close though. So I guess those are basically our scrims for today, accidentally or unintentional scrims. Yeah, last game for today, but that was pretty good. So good job, Jordan and Corin. You guys have definitely improved a lot today. Well, I guess sometimes, yeah. Growing signs, Corin just so happy Waffles can't have him. Here, actually, I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna give you the role if you want. Jordan, I'll give this to you if you want to. Yeah, maybe we could do that third team after all. I don't know. There's probably enough players for it, honestly. There probably is enough players to be on this third team at this point now, but I don't know if it would actually be a tier 2 or tier 1 team. Oh yeah, of course. So the free agent. Maybe you'll get another role soon. Ballerina. I don't think I see it, no. Oh gosh. The derp hacks. that do like macros for the guys taking fire damage. Well, I hate to say it, guys, but you're not gonna get killed by that. You will not, you will not take enough damage to die. Doggy, that will also knock. All right, I'm gonna get off the server now. I'm gonna stop the stream here for today. So yeah, I will see. Thank you guys all for joining today. Yeah, good job, Corin and Jordan. You guys are doing really well so far. The fact that we were able to beating Groink, that was pretty good. I mean, to be fair, we had Clark on the team and myself, but still, you guys did really good against them. All right, so yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for joining, everyone. Yeah, good night, I guess, even though it's the afternoon. All right, I will disconnect. I will see you guys all later. Bye, everyone.